Hi, I'm Kat. I teach ukulele for kids. Here in my music space, I help kids learn all about the ukulele, fundamentals of music, and they'll even learn how to write their own songs. My goal is to teach musical concepts in a fun and creative way, centered around the ukulele, so your child is inspired to turn off the screen, grab their instrument, and go play music on their own. Yes, these are videos, yes, it's screen time, but again, I want to encourage and inspire your child to start writing their own songs, turn off the screen after they learn here, and go play music. Many of my videos come with a printable song sheet or activity sheet, but you can always use a piece of notebook paper or you can just write songs in your head. Again, the goal is to turn off the screen. That's a major part of this process here on Ukulele Kat. After teaching music to kids for over 12 years, I found that songwriting is a really powerful tool in helping kids learn music. It not only solidifies the concepts they're working on, for example, if we're learning about quarter notes, we might go write a song about quarter notes. Or if we're learning the string names on the ukulele, we might write a little song just using the notes of the strings. It also helps kids really feel ownership over what they're learning. This is my song, I wrote that, I created that, and it gets them really excited to play. And then just another benefit is if they're feeling something in their life, it's a great way to express or process emotions. As a music teacher and a parent of 2 young kids, I've seen a lot of different approaches when it comes to presentation. I believe in speaking to kids in a respectful way as the human beings that they are. Here on Ukulele Kat, you'll find a calm and magical space for kids to build their confidence in their own creativity and learn about music. It's my dream to make music a part of everyone's family life through creative songwriting and, of course, the ukulele. You may even find that you'll be playing along with your child very soon as well. Along the way, I'll also have help from my friend Harmony Cat. That's her up there. She's off traveling the world right now looking for interesting things to write songs about. But she'll be back very soon, and she might even send us a postcard. The magic box. We'll have to check that later. If your home doesn't have an ukulele yet, your child can still learn the musical concepts in the videos, and they can have fun with the songwriting activities. Of course, there will be some videos that are more ukulele-centric than others, but again, it's not mandatory. If you're interested in some great affordable options for kids, you can check those out in the links below. You can find tons of free resources like games, activity worksheets, practice exercises, a practice calendar, songwriting sheets, and the Getting Started workbook, and lots more, all over on ukulelekat.com. If you're ready for your child to learn the ukulele, get excited about playing music, and grow their creativity through songwriting, I'm so happy you found me here on Ukulele Kat. Be sure to check out my Getting Started playlist along with the Getting Started workbook to get all set up with the basics of the ukulele. Your child will need the help of a grown-up to tune their instrument, so definitely check out my tuning video so they can be set up for success to play. Once again, my name is Kat. Thank you so much for joining me here on Ukulele Kat. I'm so excited to help your family play more music together. I'll see you soon. I like